XRP price action and market overview. Current price: XRP is currently trading at approximately $3.55. It has recorded a gain of 2% in the last 24 hours. Market capitalization: XRP's total market capitalization has exceeded $215 billion, solidifying its position among the most valuable cryptocurrencies. Volume: the trading volume over the past 24 hours remains quite high, indicating continued investor interest. Overall market sentiment: there is generally optimistic sentiment among XRP investors. Positive developments in the Xrp'S case and increasing institutional investor interest are supporting this sentiment. Latest status of the Xrp'S lawsuit. Legal process: the lawsuit between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is still ongoing. However, recent developments have increased expectations of a settlement within the market. Key dates: the court schedule is being closely monitored. The next significant hearing date has been set for, you can add a hypothetical date here, e.g. next week. Market commentary: legal experts and market analysts believe that the probability of the case concluding favorably for Ripple has increased. This expectation is positively impacting the price of XRP. Institutional adoption and partnerships. Major partnerships: Ripple continues to form new partnerships with various financial institutions and technology companies to improve global payment systems. Most recently, you can add a hypothetical partnership example here, e.g., a collaboration agreement was signed with a major bank in Latin America. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Ripple's interest in CBDC projects remains. The company is holding discussions with central banks in different countries for potential collaborations. Xrp'S and ODL, on-demand liquidity. The use of Ripple's cross-border payment solutions, Xrp'S, now known as ODL, is becoming increasingly widespread. This indicates the growing real-world utility of XRP. XRP Ledger and Ecosystem developments. New projects. The number of new decentralized applications, dApps, and DeFi, decentralized finance and projects being developed on the XRP Ledger continues to rise. This contributes to the growth of the XRP ecosystem. Community initiatives. The XRP community is actively participating in the development of the network and is working on various innovative projects, updates and improvements. Regular updates aimed at enhancing the performance and scalability of the XRP Ledger continue to be released. Future expectations and analyst views. Price predictions. Analysts predict that if positive developments in the Xrp'S case continue and institutional adoption increases, XRP could significantly appreciate in value in the long term. You can add a hypothetical analyst prediction here, e.g., some analysts suggest that XRP could exceed the $5 level by the end of 2025. Potential risks. The general volatility of the cryptocurrency market and regulatory uncertainties still remain important potential risk factors. Not investment advice. This information is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Cryptocurrency investments involve high risks.